Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In the headlines today, indigenous modification of optical emission spectrometer in SMS2, session of Project Vishwakarma organized, and Employee of the Month award presented in cold rolling mill. Now the news in details. The Electronics and Electrical Services Department of RSP provides service support to different electrical maintenance units of the plant for maintenance of advanced electronic equipment and electronic weighing systems. It also regulates protection relays of all electric drives and power distribution networks. The optical emission spectrometer is a vital instrument of steel melting shop 2. The OES is used for analysis of crude steel to determine the concentration of different metals like iron, copper, sulfur, phosphorus, silicon, etc. for efficient quality control of the steel produced in BOF. There were some technical issues with the OES which needed correction in order to ensure timely activities for steel production. A team comprising 3 senior technicians of E&ES department, Mr. Pramod Kumar Raj, Mr. Natabar Behra and Mr. Deva Prasad Das took up the challenge. They undertook a thorough study and did a root cause analysis and identified the problem. They then set about rectifying the same. The high voltage power supply and ignition circuit was designed with the printed circuit board made in the department, and the resultant 20 kV produced was applied on the sample for analysis. A spare was also developed along with SOP, SMP, and the same was standardized by TQM department. With this, a one-time net saving of about 1 crore and a recurring saving of about 52 lakhs per annum has been achieved. This project also helped the team fetch the 3rd position under the repair and maintenance trade in the 16th National Supervisory Skill Competition for Innovative Excellence conducted by CII. It is noteworthy that this was the only team amongst all public sector undertakings to have won the coveted award. A workshop of the Maintenance Management Initiative Project Vishwakarma was conducted at HRD Center on 1st and 2nd December. The valedictory session was attended by Mr. A. Chattopadhyay, DGM in charge SMS1, and Mr. S. Nanda, DGM Projects, where they interacted with the participants. Executives from Steel Melting Shop 2, Oxygen Plant and Project attended the program. The 2-day session focused on total productive maintenance, reliability-centered maintenance, and attitude and mindset of maintenance. During the valedictory session, presentations were made by the participants suggesting points for managing of recurring breakdowns using reliability-centered format. Issues raised were discussed in details. The participants were exhorted to apply the learning in their respective workplaces and provide the best of services for bringing a real turnaround in the company. Different sessions of the program were conducted by Dr. P. K. Padi, DGM PP&C, Mr. S. Nanda, DGM Projects, and Ms. Shanti Kumari, Senior Manager E&ES Department. Earlier, Mr. S. Mohanty, DGM CPTI, welcomed the gathering. He also coordinated the program along with Mr. L. Marandi, Assistant Manager HRD, and Mr. H. C. Panda, Senior Instructor of HRD. An award function was organized at the cold rolling mill recently, in which Mr. A. K. Mandal, DGM in charge CRM, presented the Employee of the Month award comprising of an appreciation letter and a token gift to Mr. K. C. Maharana, Senior Technician CRM, and Mr. Peter Samad, Operator CRM, for the month of September and October 2017. Present on the occasion were Mr. J. S. Singh, DGM CRM Electrical, Mr. Ravi Chandran, DGM CRM Mechanical, and other senior officers and employees of the department. Mr. Mandal commended the exemplary contributions made by Mr. Maharana and Mr. Samad and exhorted everyone to emulate him and contribute towards the betterment of the department. It may be noted that Mr. Moharana was recognized for successful repairing of HSD CCB, a costly part used in tandem mill. Similarly, Mr. Samad was recognized for coil preparation by gas cutting. The program was coordinated by Ms. Lopamudra Mishra, Assistant Manager, Personnel, CRM, SSM and RS. And with this, we have come to the end of today's news bulletin. Namaskar.